Hey guys, what is up? I hope guys you're extremely well. In this video, we'll learn how we can use PowerPoint online version. And if you don't have PowerPoint offline version, and you know guys, PowerPoint offline version is paid. So if you don't have offline version, and definitely you can try online version. And through online version, you can quickly create some attractive slide. And if you are especially student, and if you just wanna make some your academic presentation slide, I think this video will be helpful for you. So we have to sign in, and for that we have to write here office.com, then click enter. And if you first time entering this website, you must have to sign in through Gmail, but I already signed in, that's why I directly got this page. Choose PowerPoint, so click here, and from here I will choose blank presentation. I will make it by own, but here you will also get some ready-made slide. And if we click here, these are ready-made slide, we can use this. If you click here, we can definitely remove that, or we can definitely add something. So definitely we can use this ready-made slide also, right? But I will not gonna be use of that, so I will remove that. But if you want, you can use that, that's absolutely fine, right? So I will remove it. I will choose blank presentation, and that is the interface when you choose blank presentation. And so at the right side we can see some design suggesting to us, so we can choose any of these design. I will use that's look cool, so I will click here, and that will automatically add to our original slide. And let's say first of all we want to add some text. For that we'll click here, and let's say we want to add here my first presentation. For increasing the text, what we can do, we have to actually select the text. Then here you can see the option, we can actually decrease here. By clicking here, we can decrease the text size. You can see the text size are decreasing, and here clicking here we can increase the size. And also you can here directly choose some size, like let's say I will choose here 60, and that will, and then click here, that will increase. We can actually here change the font. So for that we have to select here, and I will choose here bold italic. From that I will choose bold italic. And also we can choose the text color. So for that we have to click here font color, and I will choose here, let's say dark blue. The color has been changed. And we also can add some highlighters as a highlight color. That has been added, right? So that's little bit about text, what you can do, and how we can increase, decrease size, and also can change color. So I think you got it, and if you need something extra, I think you can do it by yourself. Here one thing also, if you don't like this background, also we can change the background. So for changing this background, what we need to do, we have to just right click the mouse, and there have two options also. We can here select the color, also we can here direct insert the picture. So if you have any specific picture, you can directly insert it from your device. But right now actually I will not insert some picture, but that's very easy, you can do it. So I will here, for simplicity, I will here select solid fill. So the background color has been changed. If you want back our previous background color, also we can do the same thing. Here background, and here click the restore background, and it will restore the our previous background color. So I think guys, as of now you got it, what we did. And guys, one thing, if you see that sometimes at the right side no designing are not suggesting you, so what you can do, you have to click designer. Okay, now we will go to the insert option, and here we can insert new slide, we can insert here table, we can insert picture. So here I will insert an picture. So click here, and you can here definitely choose some picture from your device, and also you can choose some stock images, and also you can get some images from website. But I will choose here an image from my own device. Okay, I will choose this picture. So just click here and click open. We can here insert some shape, insert triangle, just click here and click here, and also definitely we can change the background color. So for that, what we need to do, we have to go to the shape option, and for that we can change the color here. Let's say I will choose here yellow color, and I will choose that as a border color. And also we can insert some stock image here, and here some are stock image available, so many stock image available, we can definitely insert here. Insert these are, but some of are premium, so we can't use that. We can here choose icon, there are so many icon are available. Cutout people, we can choose sticker, there are some videos also available. Illustration, want to remove this box, so just right click here and just select cut, this box will be gone. And here I want to add new text. So for adding new text, what we need to do, and I will just right click here and I will search here text box. So just click this text box and just click here, and you can see the text box. I will make it bold, and I will, okay, the color is fine here, and I will move it little bit upper. And here I want here some text also, so again we will click here and we will search a text box, then click and again click here, and here I will write presented to. I will make it bold, so write bold here. Here directly insert a smart art, that is actually cool. Let's see. Let's see, we will add here this, and it has been added here, and we definitely can edit this text. So we'll write here, the text will be first and the second and the third. So yeah, and if you want, we can also increase the size of this illustration. So for that we have to just click here, and if you just click enter, you can see the size has been increased, new text box has been added here, let's say 4th. Okay, so that's the way how we can add here a smart art. So yeah, I think if you need some any further thing, then definitely you can do that. Okay, and here I will add here another slide. So for that, what we need to do, we have to select that, click here and right click here, then here click new slide, and new slide has been created, right? Oh, that's I think look cool, so I will choose that. I'll remove that. Okay, click new slide, and already you can see some picture as suggesting. So if I click here, you can see this picture has been added, and from that actually we can choose here some pages. If I choose here, that's look good, right? So that's very easily we can do that, and we can, I mentioned earlier that we can make some attractive slide quickly. So if you want to do that at PowerPoint offline version, we have to spend some more times. Okay, so we talked a little bit about home, insert. Now let's talk about draw. We can, if you want, we can draw something here, and if I choose here design option, from design also we can choose designer. And now let's talk about the transition. Here we can select multiple transition here. The initially the transition is none, that means if we just show our slide, let's see, if we choose here from beginning, if you just click here, okay, and that is the actually, if you don't choose any transition, that is the default way, but here I will choose transition. I will choose here push transition, so click here push and click here apply to all, so it will be apply for all slide. And now let's see the slide. So click the slideshow and select from beginning. So you got the difference between, so there have so many transactions. Now let's go to the animation part. So here we can add some animation. Let's see, if I again open the slide from beginning, but through animation we want after clicking face should be show. So select that and just click here animation, and I will choose here appear. That means initially it will not appear, then after actually click this arrow button, right arrow button, then it will be appear. I mean right arrow button of your keyboard, then it will be appear. So let's see now, and you can see now second phase are of, but second phase are not showing. So after clicking right button it's showing. So you can see the difference. So first of all we have to select some object, then actually there are so many animation object. You can also do that for exit or disappear. And so yeah, I think that's little bit about PowerPoint online version. And guys, please let me know your opinion, and thank you guys for watching this video.